So just to give you a brief, the business areas of home entertainment includes televisions and audio videos, and the new products that we have introduced in the area of home entertainment televisions is the flagship product of the LG OLED TV. The second product in the lineup is our Ultra HD 4K televisions. Third is our Cinema 3D smart televisions, which have been further improved this year by the integration of a new intuitive platform called the WebOS. And then we have a range of LEDs which have been designed specifically for India based on our consumer research, which is an ongoing process. To just give you a brief on the evolution of displays, both in terms of device and resolution, couple of years back, what we had was a flat tube television, the CRT, cathode ray tube televisions, and the resolution we used to get was the standard definition or the SD. Thereafter, we migrated to what we called as the LCDs, the first flat panels, with an HD resolution. Over the years, we have further improved it to the LED backlight technology and also brought the full HD resolution. And going forward, the new device that has been introduced by LG is the OLED technology, which has self-light emitting diodes and the 4K resolution, which is 4 times the resolution of the full HD televisions. LG has always been a pioneer in the TV technology. We were the first ones to introduce the 3D television in 2011 based on the path-breaking FPR, or the film pattern retarder technology. We followed it up in 2012 with the world's largest 84-inch Ultra HD 4K TV. 2013, we introduced to India and the world the curved OLED TV in 55-inch segment. And this year, going forward, we would soon be announcing the launch of our 4K Ultra HD TV in a size of 77 inches. Very quickly, the market scenario, the Indian total demand forecasted for 2013 was close to about 8 million sets. And for 2014, we are looking at a growth of almost 30% to almost 9.5 million. The large screen panel is the one which is registering the highest growth in this segment. It's registering about 67 to 70% of the growth. And as per the display search results, LG holds the #1 market share in terms of panel shipments in India. Coming to our business plan, we are targeting a total market share of 30% in the flat panel segment in Indian market this year. That roughly translates into 2.5 million sets, which is our goal. Now coming to the product directions and the key USPs. Recently we have launched 2 new technologies or 2 new products in Indian market. The OLED TV, which we call as the ultimate display, and the Ultra HD 4K televisions, which give the real picture clarity. Very quickly, I'll tell you about these products. The core technology of the OLED is the self-light emitting diodes. In addition to the OLED technology itself, we have also patented and brought in a new, an innovation, wherein we have integrated a 4th white color pixel in addition to the traditional RGB pixels in the television. So this gives us much better picture clarity and a picture representation. The OLED TV also are paper slim. They measure at only about 4.3 mm at the slimmest point. They have an infinite contrast because each pixel can be individually controlled. So you can have the darkest dark and the whitest whites. And it has a perfect viewing angle. I'll skip because I think most of you would be aware with what the OLED TV are. The benefits are, of course, the color representation is almost accurate. The contrast is infinite. Clarity is also phenomenal because of ultra high response speeds, and it has a perfect viewing angle. Now, we have been asked why the OLED TV is curved. It is basically to provide a viewing angle to the television which is conducive to the human eye. So as the human eye is the curve, the panel has also been curved after a lot of scientific research to give you the full immersive viewing experience. So this year we have expanded the lineup of the 4K televisions. Earlier it was available only in 84, 65 and 55 inches. However, we have just introduced a 49-inch model, and going forward we will also be introducing a 42-inch 4K television. The most unique part of our flagship Ultra HD resolution this year is, of course, it comes with the IPS panel, the Ultra HD Cinema 3D, 2 Ultra HD Engine Pro, We also have models now where the sound has been designed by Harman Kardon, available in 5.2 channel and 4.2 channel speaker options. Now coming to the 3D and smart televisions. Now, just to give a small brief, LG has this year introduced a new intuitive platform called the Web OS. The entire purpose of introducing this platform is to make the smart TV usage more customer friendly. So far, this is the brief story about the smart TVs. Globally, there are about 160 million smart TVs. However, almost 53% of the people are not fully aware of the utilities of the TV, and 75% of the people think the smart TVs are too complicated and refrain from using it. The reasons are many. A few of them we have listed out. Too many contents, too complex to use, finding something good is always difficult, as well as switching and connectivity options are cumbersome. Now, to take away all these pains, we have introduced the Web OS. The inspiration for the Web OS came from the televisions of yesteryears. They were simple televisions, 2 buttons, plus minus on the channel, plus minus on the volume, and you were ready to watch whatever you wanted. Now, taking that forward, we have introduced the Web OS platform, where the basic emphasis is on the word simple. It is simple to set it up, it is simple to discover the content, and it is simple to connect to different content in the television. So simple is the new mantra for the smart. So this is the web launcher bar of the Web OS. You can switch between different content. You can also go to the left to access your recently viewed content, and you move to the right where you have your own content or apps which can be customized. You can change the flip cards and just play around. The Smart TV Web OS has already been certified by leading certification agencies globally. This has been further supported by an improved Magic Motion remote control, the Magic Gadget MMRC of LG, where you can use it like a mouse to point. You can use it as a wheel to scroll. You can use voice control. And also we have upgraded it to include the universal remote control, which means that you can use the single Magic remote to control your peripheral devices of the television, such as your set-top box and your audio systems. We are further enhancing it by integrating 3G and 4G LTE plug-and-play capability in the smart TVs. We have also introduced the function of Music Catch, where you can rip and record MP3 files. The series has many models starting from 65, 55, 47, 40 and 42 inches, and even 32 inches. Coming to our marketing strategy for the year, we will be focusing highly on our flagship products such as the OLED TV. So the first half we will promoting the 55-inch curved OLED TV, and once we launch the 77-inch 4K curved OLED TV, we will change tags to promote that. Other products that have been introduced recently and that will be promoted are the 4K televisions and audio systems such as the boombox and the sound plate. And towards our various ATL campaigns, we are looking at investment of almost 100 crore rupees in this calendar year.